Now we've got enough settings in here that we can see the difference on our text. In order to apply this to our text, we're going to be using a method of our text fields. Let me switch over to text fields. We'll take a look at methods here. And I'm just going to look down the list. You'll notice we have a couple in here. We have set text format, and we have another one called set new text format. Now the difference between these two is set text format is kind of a one-time operation. If you set that format onto the field, it'll apply all the settings, but if you change the text on the field, you'll have to reapply the settings or set a different format onto the field. Set new text format basically sets a default style to the field. So we're going to use this one. Let me go right in here where we're changing the format of the first featured flower, and I'll just add a line that does a similar thing, except we're going to set the text format object to it that we just finished building. That'll be MC Home, text flower 1, and this time we're going to be doing set new text format. Now all I need to do is specify the text format. We called that one TF for text format and feature. Let's give that a try. Now we can see the green color, the bold text, and the 12-point size, all applied to our text format field. Now in order to use this same format for our other two, all we need to do is set new text for them as well. To do that, I'll just copy this line, and we'll just change the flower number to match the names of the other two fields. So we'll set it up for flower 2 and flower 3. Now in the future, if we want to make changes to the format, all we have to do is make one change to the format, and we've updated every field this is going to be attached to. While we're at it, I'd like to show a little syntax change that we can do. Whenever you're making several changes to the same object, you can use syntax that looks like this. Let me add another line here at the top, and I'll use the with keyword. With allows me to specify an object, TF feature, and as you might have seen in the little tooltip pop-up, I can use my grouping braces, one at the beginning and one at the end. So I'm grouping all those three lines together. And what that allows me to do is I can save myself a little bit of typing by not specifying the name of the object over and over again. I can simply say, with this object, let's modify these properties. Now I'll also point out one tool that we haven't used yet in ActionScript, and that is the Auto Format tool. This is a nice tool because it basically cleans up your script. Let me click it and we'll see what happens here. You can see that it just kind of adds a little bit of spacing, and anything that's in grouped braces like this will automatically be indented, so you can very easily see where the beginning and the ending of a group is. One additional bonus feature is that the Auto Format button also performs a check syntax before it does its formatting, so you'll find out very quickly if you've got any syntax errors. Let's try this out, and we should see our format on the other two fields.